Clara learned how to roll over. Come on, Clara. Go, go, go. Oh.
You can do it. You can.
Push. Almost there. Oh. Try again. Try again. You're so close.
Your arm's stuck, huh?
Come on, you can do it. Just take a little rest, and then go. Yay!
Yes.
Good job!
Yippee!
Good job, Sweetie!
Give us a smile.
Give us a smile. Yay! Hey. Good job. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you okay?
Good job, sweetie. You rolled over.
Yay!
You're on your belly now.